Hashem, help me move beyond my past. Help me accomplish what I meant to be. Please give me the power to overcome the mistakes that I've made last year. I don't want to make those mistakes. I know that those things don't define who I am. I want to become so much more. Please remove the ideas of me being selfish and only thinking about myself first. I want to become someone who's loving, kind, giving, patient, someone who recognizes the value of time. Please, God, allow me to appreciate the different people around me, to stop thinking negatively and to start being more positive. Allow this year to be a year of greatness. Help us recognize the full power that we possess inside, the beauty that each soul is able to express in this world when it accomplishes its unique task. Hashem, please allow me to become more. I don't want to live in my past. I know I have so much more I want to do and be, and I know that with your help, I could accomplish those things.